This dance is called Still Somewhere. It's a 32 count, 2 more intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot. You're going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on that right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right into a coaster cross, back, close, cross. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right as you start to sweep that right around. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side and add on a cross shuffle, crossing right over left, left to the side, cross the right over again. Cross shuffle. That set of steps once more then. Back rock, step up on that right. 7, 8. Back rock, step. Forward rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle. You're then going to unwind yourself 3/4 of a turn to the left and then go into some step lock steps. So you're going to go forward on the right, step, lock, step, and then immediately forward on the left and then lock the right behind the left. As you lock that right behind, you're going to sweep that left back, step back on that left as you sweep the right into a reverse rocking chair, rocking back on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. Unwinding to the left. 7, 8. Unwind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair. So you are doing a 3/4 of a turn with that unwind. Should you find that difficult to do, or it's making you a bit dizzy or disorientated, what you can actually do is just unwind yourself 1/4 of a turn to the right instead of 3/4 to the left. Make sure the weight ends up on that left foot, and then you can go into your step lock, step lock, back, and your rocking chair. Same as everybody else. And non-turning option should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out in that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Back rock, step up on the right. 7, 8. Back rock, step. Forward rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle. Unwind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair. Into a scissor step, right foot leading. Step the right to the side, left beside right, cross that right over. Now you're now going to do a full turn, 3 steps. So it's the equivalent of a full turn. So you're going to turn a 1/4 turn right, as you step back on that left. 1/2 a turn right, as you step forward on that right. Further 1/4 of a turn right, as you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Into a nightclub, so big step to the side on the right, cross rock, that left behind the right and recover, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, make a 1/4 turn left to face the front, you step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then, scissor step off on that right. 7, 8, scissor step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch. Now again, we have got the equivalent of that full turn in this section, that 1/4, 1/2. Should you need to try and take that out, just turn it into a vine. So you'll go into your scissor step, vine to the left, side, behind, side, touch, and then add on your nightclub, your side touch and your turn touch. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that full turn out of that section. Now I am actually going to try and dance that particular full turn when the music is on. But if I do miss the odd one out, I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. It'll probably be turn, turn, turn. Let's add that to the top. Back rock, step up on that right. 7, 8, back rock, step, forward rock, coaster, cross and behind, behind, side, cross, shuffle. Unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch. Add on another nightclub, left foot leading, so big step to the side on that left, cross rock, right behind left, recover your weight on that left. You're then going to step the right to the side and ronde sweep that left as you make half a turn to the left. Step the left to the side, cross that right over the left, and then go into a rubber box, left foot leads. Side, close, step, side, close, back, and then you're just going to make a final little step back on that left, ready to start the dance again with your back rock on the right. That set of steps once more. Nightclub up on the left. 7, 8, side, back rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, out. Now that might only be half a turn in that ronde sweep in this particular section, but you've then got a quarter turn at the end of the previous section. As some of you might actually start to be able to sense that you've done more than half a turn. If that is the case, just turn right on that ronde sweep. Side, back, rock, side, side, cross, and then add on your rubber box. So alternative steps should you need to try and make some adjustments so you're not turning 3/4 of a turn left. Otherwise that is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, step, forward rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, behind, side, cross, shuffle. Unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch, side, back, rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, out. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, step, forward rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, behind, side, cross, shuffle, unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch, side, back, rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back and back, rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissors, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch, side, back, rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, and. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Back, rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch, side, back, rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, and back, rock, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, unwind, step, lock, step, step, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, turn, 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 touch, side, back, rock, side, touch, turn, touch, side, back, rock, side, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, and back, rock.
One of those guys from our old beach town that didn't survive.
Unwind.
Down, but I close my eyes and see you and me.
Scissors.
Somewhere we're still drinking and laughing, not thinking about what's going
Like
to
that.
happen. We're still dancing right there.
Back rock.
Somewhere your head's still on my shoulder. We're still us in
Unwind. Scissors. Right track.
You can find me. In the bar somewhere. In a bar somewhere, we're still drinking and laughing, not thinking about what's gonna happen. We're still dancing right there. You still care. In a bar somewhere, your head's still on my shoulder. We're still sitting over. Nowhere. We're still in a bar somewhere. In a bar somewhere. In a bar somewhere.
Hope you managed that one.